Today I am going to customize a pot to beautify my table. I have a plastic pot of black color, so let's rub it first with sandpaper and then paint it white color. Oh yeah!
So it's like Monday, yep, 10 a.m. And I'm realizing I'm about to do this all again. So
the rubbing is done, so now let's color into it. The white color I am using here is a color we used to paint at home. I had no other choice, so I decided to do the same.
Rhino already dead. On Wednesday night we do it right, wake up and do it again. I make my ass go to class, strolling on the grass, backpack strapped, always passing back facts on the napkins.
Now color is done, let it dry for a while.
6 hours later.
Now this color has dried, so now is the time to customize. Direct will not be outlined at the pot, so I will use crazy graphic technique. So first let's draw outline on paper. Here I will draw two characters on pot, Minions and SpongeBob. Oh yeah! Minions outline is done. It's time to SpongeBob. Oh yeah!
I'm just trying to cope, that's a quote from my boat, I won't fold any dough. I'm fired up, hit me with a caffeine and I'm high as fuck. All of that bullshit that I'm trying to cut. Cause I'm done this shit, I'ma find a cup. I don't wanna go to work, let me sleep in.
The outline of both my character is ready, so I can darken the backside of paper with the help of charcoal pencils.
Always on my phone like
Now the backside is darkened, so now let's trace it to the pot.
I don't wanna
Here I will need over it using my ugly ball pen.
phone like ring ring ring. Wake up in the morning like ding.
One character minions are done, so now let's second character.
Tryna wake me so I'm pressed. Why the fuck you think sleeping is the best?
Second character SpongeBob is done.
Body's in my head, so tell them I don't give a fuck about them. My mama told me they gon' bother you if you allow them. When it comes to all this noise, feel like I'm drowning, and I love being employed.
I didn't have a palette, so I will use a piece of glass here. Now it's time to color. Yeah! Here I will use acrylic color. This is my first attempt with acrylic paint. Here the white color is an oil paint and there is a lot of difficulty in painting acrylic on it. And I have not much information on how to blend in acrylic color. But don't worry my brothers, I will keep trying. Color is done, now it's time to ugly fine line. My first character is done and I am satisfied with this result. One character minions are done, so let's create another character, SpongeBob.
Look, I
hit a wall when I worry about getting bigger. Last year I got better, yeah. Put the shots up, put the work in, now the flow just a little wetter. Lockdown kept us off the road, but we didn't fold. I re-upped, everybody working hard. Sound like y'all got good ideas, but that don't pay the bills. Worry about it.
The color is done, now it's time to ugly fine line. Oh yeah.
Numbers up, y'all don't know what perseverance is. Talking how you broke to all your friends, talking how you rich and all you rap.
Oh no, my ugly fine liner it doesn't work. I think she is dead. So let's get a new one. Now complete the remaining ugly fine line.
To the conclusion that you cash, streaming numbers going through the roof. How come we don't never see the fans? You at the concession stands.
The second character SpongeBob is also
They
completed.
come marching in, but they going out 2 times faster. Y'all ain't chasing rings, y'all chasing tails. You got it backwards, damn.
Real shit last and the fake shit pass. Real shit last and the fake shit.
Now that both characters are complete, let's work on the rest.
Overnight, come up
I have decided to do dot art in the remaining area. I don't have any tools to do dot art, so I will use a ball pen, earbud and the back of brushes handle.
Yeah, I get my best flows to test on my next shows while my whiteboard is marked up with expos. Planning out all of my next moves to expos. The most unlikely artist to make it out of the West Coast. Teenager with the mind of a vet though, but soon somebody will sign him a check. So if you did something that you highly regret, I recommend it, it's about time that you let go. Cause at first they were trying to diss me, now I'm coming up so they ask for favors. And when you get noticed, the story flips. See, now they talking to me on the.
Now that the top side is complete, so let's move on the bottom side.
Two-faced friends only in it for the money. Who can you trust when he trying to be the greatest? But now I'm waving bye to you haters until I'm number. Yeah, but the number one is what I'm going for. I used to want it all, and now I want it more. Until I'm number. And you could tell that I mean it if you look into my eyes. It shouldn't be.
One side is complete, now let's do the another side.
What am I really trying to prove? Did I just put myself into a situation where I gotta choose between music and money, fans and friends? I hope that all the above is on the Scantron then. Life is a test and I study for the class. If you wanna understand, then you better do the math. Procrastinator rappers thinking they go past, gonna find out real soon just how long they gonna last. Can't afford to keep it 100
My
nowadays.
pot customization is done. Now it's time to plant. My custom pot is done. I hope you like it. So now enjoy the review.
Yeah, but the number one is what I'm going for. I used to want it all, and now I want it more. Until I'm number. And you could tell that I mean it if you look into my eyes. It shouldn't be a surprise when I finally arrive at the top. Number one. I spent my last 2 summers surrounded by blue walls and people doing covers. YouTube stars seem to come in a flash, but when lightning strike, I'ma come later with the thunder and let it resonate across the town. With my voice in a sound, let it shake the ground. From the 415s in the trunk, let it pound to the bay. You know I'ma hold it down. Cause when I'm number one, I'ma take us to the top. This life is too much fun, I ain't never gonna stop. They don't wanna see me run, they just wanna see me flop. But it's gonna be a different story when they hear it drop. Cause when I'm number one, I'ma take us to the top. This life is too much fun, I ain't never gonna stop. They don't wanna see me run, they just wanna see me flop. But it's gonna be a different story when they hear me drop. I wanna be number.
Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
But the number one is what I'm going for. I used to want it.